Haven't been in the workshop for a while, various things on, and also I sell my automata and the tariffs, etc. have not exactly helped things along, but things are improving. It's possible to send things to the States now. The post office had stopped delivering, but now they're taking them again. The EU, sadly, probably never again. There's so many barriers now to trade there. Must be very difficult if you're a big company, but if you're just small like me, absolutely no chance at all of sending anything to the EU anymore. Just working on some partridges, just finished painting them. I paint them with airbrush paints, acrylics, with brush and with an airbrush, and so I've got my. Usually the problem with these, they're very difficult to paint, these French partridges, red-legged partridges. The black is the last bit, and it's so easy to mess it up. What I've found is that rather than trying to do it with a paintbrush or even a fine one, or one of these little dotting pens, I found that these archival pens, fine liners, very good, different sizes. Get one out to show you. Brilliant for just making fine marks with black, and so these little partridges have come out quite nicely, I think. Ready to varnish now. I'm going to give them 2 coats of gloss and then 1 coat of dead matte, and I'll make another video to show what the finished event looks like. I'm making 11 different automata here, so 22 partridges, a brace, a pair for each one. What else have I got to tell you? Oh yeah, you may not have seen my video how to make these, but I've been the problem with these, I found when I make them, is getting the fish right so that they fit and look nice. So I spent a bit of time eating sardines, so I've got some tins, but also in digitalising the fish. So looking quite nice now, so they all come out. I've got them exactly right for the joints. What I'll do is drill the holes before. I haven't cut all the way through there, and I will drill the holes for the axle there before I cut the 2 halves apart, so that they're exactly right, and then gesso, paint and all the rest to finish them off. I think they look nice. They look quite nice as they are. Shame to cut them out, really. The other thing, I had a visitor, a chap called Duncan came to see me. He was interested in setting up an automata. He lived fairly local and just north of London, and on the way we had a nice chat, showed him around the workshop. On the way home he went to the Fry Gallery in Saffron Walden, where they have the Revilius and Borden people. I think it's the Bartlett Village, something like that set. And they had a tradition of writing cards, drawing cards, and he sent me one. He sort of copied their tradition, and he sent me one with the church that we got just there, and my, in my humble opinion, man, and a thumbs up and a thank you. Really nice gesture, I thought. So, nothing else to say today, really, but thank you for watching.